Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about. The Allen Sports Deluxe 2 Bike Trunk Mount Rack, Model ZN102, in sleek black. If you're looking for the best trunk bike rack, you're in the right place. The Allen Sports Deluxe 2 Bike Trunk Mount Rack is a game-changer for cyclists who want to transport their bikes with ease. Let's dive into the details. This trunk bike rack comes with a host of amazing features. It's designed to fit a wide range of vehicles, including sedans, hatchbacks, minivans, and SUVs. You can check the manufacturer's website for specific vehicle fit information. The single configuration design eliminates setup hassles, making installation a breeze. No more headaches during installation. Individual tie-downs ensure your bicycles are secured and protected during transport, giving you peace of mind. The side straps provide increased lateral stability, so your bikes stay in place even during long journeys. A padded lower frame keeps your bicycle safely away from your vehicle, preventing any potential damage. This rack comes fully assembled, so you can set it up and start using it in seconds. It features 12-inch long carry arms that easily accommodate a wide range of bicycle styles and 115-inch wide carry arms for greater bike compatibility. Now, you might be wondering, why is this the best trunk bike rack on the market? Well, there are a few key reasons. It's incredibly versatile, fitting various vehicle types. Whether you have a sedan, hatchback, minivan, or SUV, this rack has you covered. Setting it up is a breeze. You won't have to deal with complicated installation processes or headaches. Your bikes are securely tied down and protected, so you can focus on your journey without worrying about bike damage. Made from alloy steel, this rack is built to last, ensuring years of use. In conclusion, the Allen Sports Deluxe 2 Bike Trunk Mount Rack, Model ZN102, in black, is undoubtedly the best trunk bike rack on the market. Its patented design, ease of use, and secure transportation features make it a top choice for cyclists. If you're ready to upgrade your bike transportation game, click the link in the description below to get your own Allen Sports Deluxe 2 Bike Trunk Mount Rack. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and happy cycling!